Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really nice 25-piece double elbowed ratchet set, and this thing allows you to get in some deep spots that you otherwise couldn't get to, and I really like the fact that it's got this nice mechanical ratchet design. Comes in a great case that is a very convenient case to have. When I open up the case, I'll show you everything is nice and laid out in the case. Everything is extremely well placed. Look how shiny that is. Boy, that's some nice chrome metal alloy on those. This looks like it is anywhere from 1/4 inch all the way up to 3/4 inch on this size here. On the standard size, we also got the metrics and the standards both in this kit. And so this one will go anywhere from a size 8 all the way up to a size 19 on this side. And it's all conveniently laid out in here. Now, if you're going to be using this kit to work on standard work, you can obviously use it with the standard size on the one end, that's the fixed side, or you can use this side here that has this ratcheting style design on this end that also double hinges like this as well. And so what that's going to allow you to do is if you're outside working on something like my car and I wanted to go ahead and get down in here and work, maybe it's easier to work, you can't move a lot like this, maybe you can have to bend one of these like this to move it like this to get down in there like that. That's convenient. You can also use it as a double hinge design if you got an area clear down far like that, one down in there. You can actually take this piece and bend it like this, you know, giving it that double bend and then feeding it down here like that to get it placed over there. And then you can actually use this to twist this on there like this from clear down in there using that double bend. So there's a lot of versatility that comes along with that, which is really nice to have. And to have the standard size on the other end just gives you a lot of different options, all in this nice 25-piece kit. It's a really nice kit, and I like the fact that everything's really well and laid out and should last for many years to come.